Hi everybody, it is Mindy and I have an unbagging, an unbagging. So before we get into it and I'll tell you all the details, let me welcome new members to my channel. I recently put up memberships and I've had a few people join as members. So I would like to say thank you to Tammy Heiler, who became a member of the channel. KO Crafts by Kelly, thank you. And Cindy, let me see if I get this name right, Panagus or Panagus. Sorry about the last name. I'm trying my best. But thank you to you three for becoming new members. I have 5 now. Woo-hoo. So thank you very much, you guys. I hope I can bring you some interesting things, okay? So I got to work on that. Anyhow, thank you, thank you. All right, so this was one of those purchases I saw, I don't know, it popped up somewhere, Instagram or Facebook or something. Never heard of the company, thought I'd try it. They're called MywayHealthcare. I know, interesting. MywayHealthcare. There's 2 items in here. I ordered them, well, I didn't order them March 9th. They said they shipped out on March 19th. So, it's been a while. I'm at that point where I don't really look at shipping times and stuff anymore, right? When they get here, and I'm like, yay, okay. So there's 2 items in here. I'm so excited for this one. So excited for this one. I can hardly wait. All right. Ooh, it's kind of small. I thought it would be bigger than that, but it's kind of small. Anyhow, they had like a buy one, get one free or something like that. So I think the painting was $10.99. This was $23.99, but I only paid $23.48 for this. All right. Not too bad. All right, let's save that one for a minute. Let's look at this painting because I'm excited to see this painting. It's going to be so pretty. I don't remember what size it is. I do know what it is. Let's look at it. All right, here we go. Poured glue. There we go. Looks good so far. I got poured glue. Kind of knew that already. All right, let's get into it. Got a big key on the side. I can see the symbols already. And we can get it out. There we go. We can get it out. All right. It's going to be so pretty. Look at the colors already. Look at the colors already. I'm going to put my finger over the thumbnail. Look at the colors. Dark colors in here, but can you see them? D and M and 8. Oh, they're dark. They're going to... A light pad, though. Light pad should help, right? Oh, can you tell what it is? Can you tell what it is by looking at that? I can. I know what it is. I think you guys can tell too. I think you can tell. All right. Okay. Ooh. Yay. Beautiful colors. This one's going to need to go under the mattress for a minute, I think. So let's roll it this way for a second. Let's see. Do we have a toolkit? Yes, we do. Toolkit. With a green boat, some baggies, pink pen. There's our little plate of wax. All right, here's our drills. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful colors. We'll look at those in a minute. So let's look at this canvas. Yeah, it's your typical canvas. It's not super hard or plasticky. But look at it. Bam. Isn't he pretty? Isn't he pretty? Oh my goodness, it's just one blue jay sitting on a tree branch. 20 colors. See the colors? 20. It's like all letters and numbers. 30 by 40. My guess is, I have my tape measure here. My guess is it's probably like 25 by 35. Let's see. Let's see what it measures out. 25. This is typical kind of for, this type of painting that they come 35. Yep, 25 by 35. But it's got great color. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's got 2 legends, one on each side. Like it. Look at him. Isn't he pretty? He's going to be beautiful. These darks in here are going to be a little tricky. But other than that, I think all the symbols will be very easy to read. Gorgeous. Got, like I said, poured glue. Of course, it's sticky, right? All right. Not going to mess with it too much right now because we got something else to look at too. But these drills, oh my goodness. So we have no DMC codes, and that's fine. Not everything needs to have them. Sometimes it's fun to just do a little painting like that, be done with it, right? Not even worry about keeping these drills or nothing. Just be done. Gosh, she's pretty. Reminds me of looking out my kitchen window here. Almost any day I can look out the window and see one or two blue jays. Beautiful colors. We're going to go backwards. White. It's all going to be whites and blues and purple. Look at that. All kinds of blues. I think this is our fourth blue here. And they don't have numbers. Let's do them backwards. Why not? That is purple, purple, purple. Call this periwinkle. Periwinkle. Dark blue. I wonder how many blues there are. How many blues are there in a blue jay? I don't know. A lot, apparently. And another purple, a couple grays, one more blue, another gray. This has got to be black. And then a very, very light purple, very light, pale lilac. I say lilac, not lilac. Let's see, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blues. A lot of blue. Very pretty though, right? Very, very beautiful colors. He's going to be so pretty. He'll be so pretty. All right, let's set him over there. This, I think, is smaller than I thought, but let's hope it's cool anyhow. Thought it would be a little bigger than this, but we'll see. This is something I hadn't seen before. It's Special Drills Toolkit. Same basic. I have no idea why, but my phone decided to stop recording after I showed you the toolkit. Anyhow, I don't know. Let's try this again, part 2. So it comes with this little base. Okay, here's your base. Power. Somewhere you hook this up. Somewhere this cord goes. There we go. Cord goes in here. Okay, see where the cord goes? Sorry, it's blurring. And you plug it in, and it has a USB cord. So this video is going to be a pieced together hot mess because my phone, I guess it's telling me I'm out of storage. Keeps shutting off. So we were to the champagne colored teardrops. And then we have purple marquee. Those are pretty. We have some clear silver marquee. That's what's in the strip. That's the first 10 colors. And then we have, oh, these are very pretty, very rainbowish. I get the rainbow colors, blues and greens and stuff. Those are pretty. And then I love these, and I've already looked at this, and I'm going to have a couple extras of these. These are cool. Look at them. There's one on each side. It's the nose. It's the nose. So I'm going to have 2 extras. Those are cool. See if I can find something to do with those. It's number 12. It only requires 2. So there's our colors. Sorry this video was such a mess, but my phone, I guess it wanted me to clear up some storage space, so I did, and now it should be fine, so sorry. But yeah, I'll show you this when it's done. I might have to do this pretty quick because I don't think it'll take a lot of time. I just don't know how it goes in the little holder. It doesn't seem to want to fit. Doesn't seem to want to fit in the holder, like it's not big enough. It goes really tight. There, I guess you got to really just force it on in there. It'll go. It'll be cute. I'll show you what he looks like when he's done. Maybe we'll light him up even. Yeah. Look. It's tight. All right. So that's what I got from MywayHealthcare. Never heard of them before. Very interesting, right? MywayHealthcare. The cute little owl. Look, it's a bird day. It's a bird day. We have blue jays and owls. Yeah, why not? All right. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks to my new members for becoming members. If you haven't checked that out, check it out. Yeah. Hit the like button and subscribe. Bell to be notified when I put out videos, because I'm starting to get some things in, you guys. So there's going to be more videos. So keep your eye open. And thanks again, you guys. And I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye.